Hey there, savvy business owners. I'm diving into the world of global shipping straight from Pakistan, revealing the top cargo services that will turbocharge your business operations. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, stick around because this is crucial for your success. Are you looking to send products worldwide or maybe import some cool goods into Pakistan? Well, you've hit the jackpot with Express Cargo Service. Operating out of major cities like Karachi, Lahore, and Islamabad, they connect you seamlessly with top global markets, including the USA, Europe, and the UAE. Now, if you're an Amazon FBA seller or planning to be one, Express Cargo is your go-to partner. Imagine this. You purchase products from China, and they ensure it reaches Amazon's warehouses in the US, hassle-free. Yeah, you heard that right. They handle everything from pickup to custom clearance and final delivery. And guess what? They also cater to your imports by air or sea, ensuring minimum cargo requirements are met, making it perfect for both big and small business needs. And here's a kicker. They offer cash on delivery. Order your products and only pay once they are safely delivered to your doorstep. Gone are the days of worrying about upfront payments without seeing your goods first. For those dealing with Amazon or any international shipping, knowing that you have a reliable partner like Express Cargo can really ease the pressure. They've been in the game since 2009 and have built a reputation for reliable and efficient service. So, why not give Express Cargo Service a shot? Boost your business and expand your reach across continents with confidence. And if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Stay tuned for more insights and tips to help you thrive in your business ventures. And remember, in this global market, your next opportunity could be just a shipment away.